guys, wow, it's Nava Rose. This video is so last minute and really unplanned because I absolutely have no makeup on. I just jumped right out of the shower because my video goes up in an hour and I promised I would get this dance tutorial out beforehand. I actually filmed this video a couple days ago and then I realized that a very vital part of the video was lost and got deleted, so now I have to re-record it. So here we go. Before I jump into this dance tutorial and before I get all sweaty and stuff, I do want to go over the main requirements. One, you do have to live in Southern California, preferably like LA, OC, somewhere where you're really close to LA because that's where we will be filming. Two, you do have to submit a video. So after you learn this dance video, you do have to email it. I'll put the email down in the description box. Three, you do have to be Army. I do have a lot of dancer friends, so if I wanted to fill up the spot with dancers, then I could do that. But I really wanted to open this opportunity up to BTS Army only because I feel like it's a lot more special that way and that we're all BTS Army and it'll be super fun together. Another thing is there is no age limit, so you could be as young or as old as you want. I think that's pretty much it. I am only filling up 12 spots, so that's all I can take. So good luck to everyone, and yeah, let's jump into this tutorial. Also, there's going to be 3 parts. I am going to do 1 part with counts, and then 2, I'm going to do counts and music slowed down, and then the 3rd one is just going to be me dancing, no talking. I'm going to shut up and I'm just going to do the music, regular tempo, and yeah. If you guys have watched the video, this whole part, I can never get the counts right. I don't know what count they're hitting on, so I'm actually just going to count it the way I think it is, so just bear with me on that part. You guys are just coming in on the chorus, so you guys run in on 5, 6, 7, 8. You kick up 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, slide 8, 1, 2, around 3, hit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go down 5, 6, and then you roll up 7, 8. Then you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go down 5, 6, 7, 8. They don't really do this in the music video. It's like something similar, so that's why I'm doing this. Then you're gonna point down 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna turn over with your right foot 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the chorus that everyone knows. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna cross 5, jump 6, 7, 8, and then you're gonna hold and pose for 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna slide 5, 6. Then you're gonna step back, boy with love. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it with counts and with the music like medium tempo, so it'll be slowed down a little. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, run 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, slide 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, cross 5, 6, so hard pose, 2, 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, and I need to catch my breath real quick. That was really tiring. It's actually really hard to do it slow. For this one, I'm going to not talk at all. Just gonna do it with the music, regular tempo. I might be marking it only because I want you guys to see it like really clean, so I won't be going like full out. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that completes my little dance tutorial. I just want to say good luck to everyone who sends in a video. This video has no means to go live in the public eye at all or anything, so I will be deleting this after the submission date. So I love you guys all so much. Good luck again, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the 8th. Bye!